The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for central Greene County in southwestern Missouri, northern Christian County in southwestern Missouri, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely dangerous tornado was indicated by radar, or confirmed in the warned area, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Flying debris will be dangerous to anyone without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Significant damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and considerable destruction is possible. To repeat, a large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is a life-threatening situation. This includes the following areas and roadways: Interstate 44 between mile markers 58 and 77. Highway 65 in the warned area. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move immediately to the nearest substantial shelter.